Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a new SharePoint group on your SharePoint site. So to do that, you just have to come over to the cogwheel, come over to Site Permissions, come over to Advanced Permission Settings. And from here, you just want to click on Create Group. And then you can go ahead and create your new group. So we'll just call it New Group. You definitely want to give a description to your group to let people know what this group's going to be doing. You can set your group owner. You can go ahead and set the group settings here. You can modify that if wanted, if you need to. You can allow requests to join or leave this group, and you can auto accept requests. And then down here is where you want to go ahead and select the permissions for this group. So this is where it gets a little bit interesting. If it's at right now what you're doing is you're setting this at a site level. So if you do this, if you go ahead and set a permission here, it's going to grant it at the site level. But if you wanted to just add this group to a certain folder, or maybe to a page that's going to have unique permissions, you can just go ahead and leave the permissions alone here, because then once you add that SharePoint group to the new site, then you can go ahead and modify what you want the permission level to be at that file level or at that page level. So we'll just go ahead and pretend that we want this at the site level, and then we'll go ahead and select contribute, which allows these users to now view, add, update, and delete list items and documents, because there wasn't a contribute group before. Now we can go ahead and add members to the group if we want to. So you could just come over to new and do add members. But let's go ahead and come back over to the groups, refresh the page, and now you see that we have an edit group, we have the full control group, we have the read, and then we have the new group that we just created. And again, if you just come into that new group, you can go ahead and you can email users, you can call slash message selected users, you can remove users from the group, you can modify the group settings, the permissions, blah, blah, blah. And this is where you can go ahead and add those new users to the group.